What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We got some 250R goodness. This thing came back. There's a build video on the channel with this thing. Getting sold today. Dave brought it back so that we can do a quick little go over, once over, and a shakedown on a track. Suspension on this thing is really soft, so it's not a jumping bike whatsoever. Good for off-road, good for the trails and stuff, not so good for motocross. Dude's getting it because it matches his 350X. That's fine. So we'll get you a couple of shots on the track of this thing ripping around. Wasn't gonna beat on it very hard, wasn't gonna jump in at all because, well, very soft suspension. I'm not bottoming this thing out before somebody buys it. It's too pretty. So, enjoy the video, comment down below. No, the thumbnail's not in the video today, guys. Sorry. You want me to paint them a certain color? Let me know. Enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, shares, likes, all that fun stuff. Really helps out the channel. And we've got membership available.